Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to remove your speaker Ultimate Ears Boom 2 into application. You have to start by opening application. Now you should turn off your speaker. You can do it by press this power icon into application or physical button into your speaker. Turn off. Now click on the left top icon here and swipe it to the left. Remove. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!